Bonjour, y'all. Do y'all remember the Dalgona coffee craze a few years back? It never appealed to me because drinking a glass of coffee milk just isn't my thing. I found something that made me want to try it, and I want to show you. Come with me to my kitchen. On y va. Bonjour, y'all. I'm Miss Kate, and this is Go Cuisine. Here we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in. Now we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips in a glass. If you're not sure about the heat proofness of your glass, then you can melt this in another container, which is what I'm going to do. I'm so excited about this, like insanely excited. Also, I cheated and added more chocolate because to me, more is better. These things. And I don't know if this is going to work, but this is really thick for this. Dip it in, tilt, dip it in, tilt, dip it in, tilt it the other way. Do it one more time. Oh my god, that's so pretty. So pretty and so little effort. I love this. Perfect. Yep, we're making chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Instant coffee, sugar, boiling water. Mix. Full disclosure, this is crap. I gave up in the middle and I used my hand mixer, but if you don't have one, it'll work. It just takes way too long. Chocolatey, chocolatey. And she decorated with more chocolate chips on the top. Not bad. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's have a taste. Because we don't have enough chocolate. Oh yeah. That. I may not sleep tonight, but this is certainly tasty. So, main critique of this recipe, all that beautiful chocolate, it turns solid on your glass. So I like that technique. It's pretty, but I would save this for dessert. Probably not this in my nice glass. You could do it in a mason jar, and then you could reheat it so you could enjoy that chocolate. But it is really a pain to get off. So before you do that, just FYI. Or you could add a little bit of cream to the chocolate to make a ganache, and then it wouldn't set up so hard. That would probably be a great idea. Just wanted to let y'all know. I hope you had fun making this with me. Check out this other video. And bon appetit, or happy drinking. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir. Cheers.